In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-player on Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the main ways in which you will be able to play Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker with your friends. So, first, I just want to make it very clear, as it stands today for whatever reason, this game does not have split screen, so sadly, you will not be able to connect an additional controller and share the same screen or the same console to play with your friend. As it stands today, both of you will need to be playing the game on your own console or PC, and you will have to use the online functionalities to play together. This is extremely unfortunate, but it is the only way to play with your friends. You cannot do split screen or couch co-op in Shinobi Striker. With that out of the way, the main way to play with your friends is going to be through the Hokage's office when you go to survival exercise or the co-op missions. So for this first one, go into the office and then choose survival exercise, as you can see at the bottom. Now you will be able to choose practice. Once you select the practice mode, you will be taken back to the lobby and you will see the options at the bottom left to start the battle, see the settings, and so on. From this, all that you have to do now is press the touchpad and you will open up your friends list. This will work for PC or console. Inside of the player list, you will be able to invite your friends or people from the lobby and fill up your party. Once you have the necessary amount of players, you can even start alone or with only 2 people, you will be able to play. Now, the difficulty with this is that it is always going to be the same map, and most likely you will have 4 bots if you only have 2 people. If you want to eliminate the bots, the only way is going to be to fill up the whole lobby. That way, all slots are taken by real players and no bots. So if you want to play together with all of your friends, invite them all to a party. However, if you are playing 2-player, then invite only one other friend and you will have to deal with the bots. The other main way to play with your friends is going to be through the co-op missions, so you can do the exact same steps. You go over to the VR Ninjutsu Arena, choose co-op missions, and make sure that you are in a party with your friend. So press the touchpad if you are on a console, or press the button displayed at the bottom left to open the player list, and you will be able to invite them before starting any of the co-op missions. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2-player on Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.